Jamaican woman won 140 million in the Super Lotto. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. After hitting the Super Lotto last year, lucky winner T. Rowe has come forward to claim her prize of $144.6 million. She won with a $200 ticket with the winning numbers 6, 14, 22, 20, 31 and the Super Ball of 7, drawn on December the 1st. Rose, who showed up to claim her prize in a costume, has been in a state of shock since realizing she had the winning ticket. The winner stated that she didn't catch the live draw that night, so she only realized she won some days later when she checked the results. The woman further stated that she checked the numbers over and over again. I checked them backwards, sideways, everywhere there is, but the result was the same. I won. I almost fainted. I'm still in disbelief. Sometimes I have to pinch myself to realize that this is not a dream. In a move that is common with so many winners, she sees her winning as a great opportunity to set the stage for generational wealth. Rose's first thought was to help her family with the new fortune. I'm going to help my younger siblings with their college tuition because I think with this kind of money I can change the direction of our lives. I'll be also investing wisely so that we can have money for generations to come. Super Lotto is currently played in 6 Caribbean countries, which includes Jamaica, Barbados, St. Kitts and Nevis, Anguilla, Antigua, and St. Martin. Draws take place every Tuesday and Friday at 8:30 p.m. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.